We chose this process of engraving the parts due to its kind of mundane nature. It's a 3-minute cycle for that laser to finish the engraving on the part. By having the robot do this, we can use the employees to their full potential and kind of increase the efficiency of that work area. If we can get a robot to do something, there's essentially no downtime. So if we can get these cobots in place, maximize the potential of our current workers, that is where the big win is for us. This whole process has been kind of like one of our sayings here at Mitotec: the challenge is the complex and the satisfaction is the solution. Getting everything to work together has been a pretty complex process, but when we finally see it working, we finally see this robot making parts, there's nothing quite like it. Moving forward, we'd like to see some more of these cobots getting rolled out. It's very beginning stages of analyzing our ability to do that, but it'd be good to see a few more of them around.